Guys, happy Wednesday. Attending our live Millionaire Mastermind Wednesday.
What an adjective is now.
So,
And
dito ako
there's real lesson there for us.
online
Most people
income.
retire at like exactly.
This is how I make money to make a living
And
here.
these
From the
guys
comfort of my
already
home,
had life
just
going
attending,
on. They already had
plugging in
businesses going
our
on.
meeting.
But here they are,
This
flying
is
across the
every
world,
week.
connect with each other, talk to
Wednesday,
each other,
Millionaire
and get
Mastermind.
this business
So,
rolling, right?
guys,
The
kung
message
gusto
there
niyo
for me
mag-earn
was
na
that
dito lang sa
never
bahay,
too
naman
old
akong buhok ng
You're never
tindog.
too far into anything.
Dito lang sa bahay, guys, hindi na kayo gumising ng early, traffic, and all the thing that, you know,
Regardless of what you're doing right now.
mapapagod ka. Guys, dito lang sa bahay, earning 4 to 6 figure. Ang daming mga millionaire dito, guys, kaya nakaka-inspire. Jump in, join our business. So, ito yung ano namin, guys. This is every Wednesday. So, galing, guys, check it out. Message me para may padala ko sa inyo yung free 20 minutes webinar. Tingnan nyo, guys. Maybe this is also for you. Sino bang ayaw na mag-earn lang sa bahay? Sino bang ayaw na dito ka lang sa bahay being, comfortable? Hindi ka na, especially sa weather dito. Sa Washington na ang hirap. Laging ulan, laging madilim. So, ito na, guys. Ito na yung jumping, guys. Kasi hindi mo maano na mawala yung trabaho mo at hindi natin so risky, guys, kung mag-asa ka lang sa sa trabaho mo. Hindi secure, pero building your own business is secure, okay? So, yeah. Dito, guys, malalaman mo lahat, tuturuan ka, may mentor ka, at ika-guide ka sa community namin. So, here we go. Message me para I'll be happy to guide you how you get started too. Okay? Bye!